All right, let's finally settle it. UI versus UX, what's the actual deal? Come on, be honest. You've done it. Just nodded along when someone drops those terms. Well, the bluffing stops today. By the end of this, you will actually get it. Promise.
And the secret isn't on a phone screen. Nope, we're going to a restaurant.
So, picture this. We've just walked into a place called the Digital Diner. First up is UX, or user experience. This is all about how the entire visit feels. Was the journey smooth and enjoyable? From the greeting to the food? That's all UX. And here's the thing. You only ever notice UX when it's really, really bad. Okay, so what about UI? That's the user interface. It's the stuff you actually see and touch. In our diner, it's the cool menu font, the nice plates, the whole look of the place. So here's the bottom line. UX is the journey. UI is how pretty that journey looks. Which leads to this great saying. It perfectly shows why you absolutely need both. A beautiful app that's confusing to use? That's great UI, but terrible UX. And the other way around? A perfect app that looks sketchy? Yeah, nobody's gonna trust it. Think of it like this. UX is the skeleton that holds it all together. UI is the skin. At the end of the day, it's simple. You just can't have one without the other. So next time someone says UI versus UX, you'll know the real answer isn't or, it's and.